How to make Gamepass in Roblox mobile. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about creating a Gamepass on Roblox using your mobile device. So if you find this guide helpful, please like and subscribe. Now let's get started. First of all, you need to close the Roblox application if it's running in the background. And then go ahead and open your Chrome or any web browser application. After that, go to roblox.com, that is the official website of Roblox, and then tap on the three dots in your browser, scroll down and make sure that you have enabled the desktop side. Now, once you're in the home page and you're logged in with your Roblox account, tap on Create in the top of the screen, that is between the option of Marketplace and Roblox. You will be taken to the Creator Hub. Now tap on the three lines in the top left corner of the screen. And there you will see the option of creations. Tap on that. Here, your experiences should be displayed. If you have multiple experiences, select the one that you want to create a game pass for. If you're making game pass for a game like Please Donate, it does not matter which one you choose. So go ahead and tap on your chosen experience. Again, tap on the three lines in the top left corner and then scroll down and go to monetization. After that, tap on Passes that you will find below the developer products. Here, you will see your existing game passes and the Create a Pass button. So tap on Create a Pass, which is highlighted in blue color. This will take you to this kind of interface. Now you can upload an image for your game pass, give it a name, add a description, and after entering all the details, tap on Create a Pass, which is highlighted in blue color. And your game pass is now created. To put it on sale, tap on newly created game pass. Then tap on the three lines in the top left corner and then after, go to sales. Toggle the option of item for sale and say the default price. Enter the price that you want to charge for it. Remember that you will receive 70% of the sale. So tap on Save Changes, which is highlighted in blue color, and the Game Pass is now for sale. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.